How y'all doing? How y'all doing? It's your girl Georgette here. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Yes, yes, yes. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. The sun is shining. It is warm. It is an amazing, amazing day. And so if you're new to me and have not subscribed, please wait till the end. My channel is all about inspiring you and motivating you. Yes. And I do hope that a little transformation takes place. We listen to motivation and it takes root sometimes. And so I do hope I can do that for you. So keep watching. I'm going to have videos popping up at the end as well for your watching pleasure. And subscribe. Put your notifications on. I drop a video a couple times a week. Yeah, so today I'm on the outside here. And I just want to chit chat and talk about what it is that you want. I remember when I started my mentorship with my mentors, the first thing I had to do is write 10 things that I wanted. And, I really thought I knew what I wanted, but I really didn't. So often we say we want more monies, or we want to do things that we truly don't believe that we can do. But when the only thing that you need to know is what you want, really. And so, and Bob Proctor speaks a lot about this. When you know what you want, the brain goes to work for you. You see, but too often people say, oh, I want more money. Oh, yes, everybody does. I do too. But the universe, God, infinite intelligence, infinite spirit, doesn't understand I want more money. See, clarity is power. And money itself is paper, has no power. Because when you get that paper in your hand, what it is that you do with that, that's powerful. You buy food to nourish your body. You pay your mortgage. You pay your rent. You do the things that you need to do. That's powerful when you can do what you want to do with the money, the paper. So that's what you need to know, what you want to do with the money. I know that I no longer want to fly in the back of the plane. You know what the front is called? First class. Yeah. So I know that. So when that money arrives, I already know what the price of the ticket costs to go to this place that I desire to vacation. You see, clarity is power. Knowing what you want. There's a verse in the Bible that says, what's your vision for your life? Write it down and make it plain. For that vision for your life shall surely come to pass in its appointed time. So do that, guys. Write down the vision for your life. You should have a vision for your life. Don't allow your bank account to tell you that you can't do it. The only thing that you need to know is what you want, and be very clear. You see, I have books on top of books on top of books that I write 3 pages every morning. 3 pages. I journal every morning, and so I'm writing it down. I'm being very clear, very, 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 very clear, and so that's what I am sharing with you today. If you don't know what you want, that's the first step. The year is coming to an end very, very quickly, and you need to know what you want. And so that's what I drop in here today to share with you what you want, to ask you what you want. And when you know what you want, become very clear. Oh, I want to take a vacation with my family. No, you need to know where you want to go. You need to know how much it's going to cost. Because you have to act as if you have the money now. Because when the money comes, you already know exactly what you're going to do with that money. You see, it's very important to know what you want and to be very clear on what you want. And so I can only encourage you and pass on to you the knowledge that I have gained, that to know what you want, to be very clear on what you want, so that when those monies come into your hands, you know what you're going to do with it. Write the vision and make it plain. And there is an appointed time for that vision, and it shall surely come to pass. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short, quick video on talking about what you want. Come on, get clear on what you want. Get clarity on what you want today. Because when you become clear, your brain goes out to work for you and bring you opportunities, and events starts to happen. And oh my gosh, this person just paid me back a loan they had for many, many years. They had that for me. And it starts to flow. But you first have to know what you want. Guys, I love you so much. I love you so, so much. I do hope this was valuable information for you. And I'm going to leave videos popping up. If you have not subscribed to your girl, come on, give me a like. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some sugar. Give me some hearts. Subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you want. One thing that you really, really want before 2021 ends. Drop that in the comment box below. I love you so much. Click on the link below. I have a free gift for you. Ladies, there's something specially for you. I send you love and light. It's your girl, Georgette, as always. Look at the beautiful nature. It's beautiful. I love nature. It's beautiful.